put it on. Eh? Here, grab a bag, grab a bag, guys.
So what we do at Rodeo 101 is we bring in kids from across the valley. It's a free event for the kids. They start out learning a little bit more about agriculture and rodeo. They get to go through this skills camp that we have set up where they learn to ride and rope, even do a little steer wrestling. We also bring in a petting zoo. And so for a lot of these kids, it's their first time really interacting with a farm animal.
I love watching the kids and their reactions when they do different things. A lot of times they're shy and reserved at first, and they're like, I don't know if I can do it, and they get on there, and the smiles light up your world. It's awesome.
On that, you put one hand under this hand, and then above, you lift your arm up, and you just have a good time.
In the long run, they get to learn that they too can do things like this. They're not as sheltered. There's a huge world for them, and they can be anything or do whatever they want to do.
Good job, look at you go! Good job!
This is a perfect event for Idaho Power. We get to combine our support of youth programs with our love of ag in a one-day event.
This is also part of our Western heritage, which is really important to the fabric of this community. For so long, this rodeo has been happening, and it's really important that we keep these traditions alive. And that's going to be through the next generation of kids.
I hope these kids take away a love for all things Idaho, and rodeo is so centric to Idaho. I hope they had a wonderful time interacting with the cowboys and cowgirls that are here today. Overall, I hope they leave here knowing a little bit more about why farms and ranches are so important to Idaho.
Man, you look like a bull rider. You're missing a tooth. Yeah. There you go.